Nigerian Industrial Park and Power Plant Projects Investment. Phase 1 in Nigeria. $30 billion project Nigerian Industrial Park and Power Plant in Nigeria's industrialization drive. Unpacking the proceeds inside Bwari IPP and industrial parks as foreign investment project. Nigeria Industrial Park and Power Generation. What Bwari IPP and Industrial Park stands to offer. The project, the first of its kind in the country, with a similar program being undertaken in Kano State, named Bwari Independent Power Plant and Industrial Park by the same company. Danbritish International Limited and Danbritish Group of companies will cumulatively gulp a whopping $30 billion. "90% foreign investment" aims to partner with manufacturers, investors and other stakeholders to create large business connections and reindustrialization for economic empowerment and job creation in Nigeria, Africa and the world. Such partners as well as industry stakeholders at the industrial park will then enjoy a guaranteed, efficient yet uninterrupted power supply necessary for them to build a rural industrial production zone in the country. The company set to collaborate with the Nigerian Ministry of Industry, Trade and Investment to create a free trade zone. In compliance with the Nigerian Industrial Revolution Plan Act. Investors in the power project will have the guarantee of a tax holiday. As exemption certificate from Nigerian Federal Ministry of Finance for the import of manufacturing equipment and raw materials against custom duty would be offered. With these under the belt, coupled with the Nigerian government's waiver, it promises to be a good return of investment from the constant power supply to the industrial park. This, in turn, will ensure growth opportunities as the industrial park grows and benefit from the success of the manufacturers of the industrial park. It goes without saying that the ultimate success of Nigerian Industrial Park Bwari IPP and Industrial Park will certainly entrench a long-lasting relationship with the manufacturers using the power supply. and will open an avenue for Nigeria's industrial prosperity for the future. Furthermore, for manufacturers and industrial investments, the Nigerian government has given its approval for a possible 5-year tax break in the sector. The company said it is committed to providing an access to road transport, rail lines, harbor and airport, as well as, with an underlying commitment of recruiting people from the affordable labor market within the area. With the rising spate of insecurity in the country, there will be adequate security arrangement by the Danbritish International Limited to the manufacturers, the employees and the investors within the industrial park. The power generation of a total 1,250 MW and 100 industries would be started as phases and designed to cater for specific industries. As illustrated thus. Phase 1 to 300 MW. For garment, textile, clothing and fabrics, 21 industries including the power plant. Phase 2 to 400 MW. For foodstuff, flour mills, rice mills, oil mills, sugar refinery, milk factory, soap and detergent, cosmetics factory. 31 industries including power plant. Phase 3 to 550 MW. For steel factory, leather factory, pharmaceutical factories, cement factory, rubber and plastic factories, furniture factory, minerals factory. 51 industries including power plant. Luckily for Nigeria, Danbritish International has plans to build other industrial parks in Africa, Asia, Europe and the rest of the world. It is a known fact that many investors willing to invest continue to nurse concerns on not only the lack of power supply but transportation, location of warehouses and assembling place for their products, which the upcoming Bwari IPP and Industrial Park seems the perfect recipe to such concerns, as they have the equipment and secured location as additional advantage. With the AFCFTA now in place and the recovery of Nigeria's economy, the project is indeed coming at the right time for the country in terms of the provision of huge job opportunities and economic development of the country.